हेलो लिटिल लर्नर्स, नमस्ते दोस्तों। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं नुपुर और आप देख रहे हैं लर्न विद नुपुर, जहां लर्निंग होती है इजी, फन और फुल ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास। बच्चों, टेल मी, कैन यू काउंट दीज एप्पल्स? यस, 1, 2, 3। ग्रेट। नाउ कैन यू काउंट दिस वाटर? No. Why not? Because, very good, we need a glass or a bottle to measure it. Wow, you all are so smart. So, why can we count apples but not water? That's exactly what we are going to learn today. Countable and uncountable nouns. Let's begin our fun learning adventure. I have a question for you now. Can you count these? Apple, books, pencils. Yes, 1 apple, 3 books, 3 pencils. Easy? Right. So, the things that we can count are called countable nouns. We can say 1 cat, 2 cats, 3 cats. We can use numbers with them. Let's see some more examples. Look at the screen, bachcho. Apple, 1 apple, 2 apples. Dog, 1 dog, 2 dogs. Pencil, 1 pencil, 4 pencils. Book, 1 book, 5 books. Girl, 1 girl, 3 girls. Boy, 1 boy, 2 boys. Now I have a magic tip for you, bachcho. If you can count it 1, 2, 3 like this, so it is a countable noun. Easy to remember? Now look carefully, bachcho. Can you count water? 1 water, 2 waters, 3 waters like this? No, we measure it instead. Examples: water, milk, rice, sugar, salt, flour, butter. We cannot count water, milk or rice one by one. Instead, we say 1 glass of water, 2 bottles of milk, 1 bowl of rice, 1 spoon of sugar. So, we measure these things. Now, bachcho, I have one easy rule for you all. Countable nouns, it can be counted and we can use numbers. And if you are talking about uncountable nouns, it cannot be counted one by one. We measure them. Now, bachcho, it's your turn to think. Are you ready for a fun challenge? Look at each picture carefully and tell me, is it countable noun or uncountable noun? Tell me. Apple, is it countable or uncountable? Yes, countable. Next is water. Correct, it is uncountable. Books, very good, countable. Milk, very nice, milk is uncountable. Dog, countable. Rice, again it's uncountable. Very good. अब बारी है फन क्विज की. रेडी? से द आंसर बिफोर आई डू. ओके. बनाना, इज इट काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल? यस, काउंटेबल. बटर, वेरी गुड, अनकाउंटेबल बच्चों. बर्ड, यस, एक्सीलेंट, इट्स काउंटेबल. सॉल्ट, अनकाउंटेबल. कुकी, countable. Milk, uncountable. Now it's an easy memory trick. If you can count it, it is countable. And if you need a cup, bowl, spoon, bottle or glass to measure it, then it's uncountable. It's very easy. Great job, bachcho. Now you know the difference between countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So keep practicing at home. बच्चों, आई होप आप सबको मेरी आज की क्लास बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी. एंड इफ़ यू एंजॉय टुडेज क्लास, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Learn with Nupur. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much, bachcho, for learning with me today. Keep smiling, keep learning, and remember, learning is fun when we learn together. Bye bye, everyone. See you in the next class, in which we will learn about collective nouns.